This is HOOBS, user-friendly home automation for everyone.
How to add a TV bridge to Apple Home. From the dashboard, you will want to click on the Bridges button. Then choose the bridge you would like to pair to your Apple TV. For this example, we will be using the PIN number, which can be found here. Click the plus button, then click Add Accessories. Click on More Options. Select your TV. Click Add Anyways. Then we will be putting in our PIN. You can get this from the HOOBS Bridges page for your plugin. Click Continue. Click on the TV location. From here, you can keep the name you put into the plugin, or you can create a new custom name for your TV. Click Continue. In the Apple Home app, you will only be able to turn on and off your TV. However, if you open your remote app, you will have more functionalities of the TV.
Thank you for using HOOBS, user-friendly home automation for everyone.